Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Samsung Galaxy A72 here and it's time to unbox this phone. So this one again is in black color. There is 128 gigs of internal storage here and 8 gigs of RAM. So this is that model. And just like A52, it has quite a lot of impressive features, and both A52 and A72 share quite a lot of features, but that doesn't mean that there are no differences here. So I will be comparing the two phones and also A32 in the end of the video, so be sure to stick till then. So let's go ahead and unbox and take a look at the contents of this phone. Now I've already unsealed it. Only thing that's left is to unbox it and take a look at the contents here. So that's the phone right there. So it has, again, just like A52, it has got some heft to it, some weight to it as well. So again, infinity of display here, quad camera, 64 megapixels, primary camera with optical image stabilization, IP67 water and dust resistance. So some of the new things and improvements over A71 in this phone. Let's put this aside again. So now we have super fast charger here. So this one is able to charge this phone at 25 watts. So that's a positive here. One good thing, at least we get the charger in the box again. And we have charging cables, so we don't have any headphones here in the box. That's all gone. We've got this box here, so let's open this one up. SIM ejector tool and silicone case, nothing extraordinary here. So let's put this all back. So let's take a look at the phone now. Black color. Let's take off this plastic. So there we go, A72 matte black finish. This is plastic and not glass, but it has this matte black finish, so there won't be any fingerprints here, so that's great. And then we've got some plastic on the sides as well, so I'm gonna take that off as well, and I'll be back. So here it is guys, Samsung Galaxy A72, all plastic is off. So we have our quad camera system at the back here on the camera bump. So here we have 64 megapixel main camera, and then we have 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Then we have 8 megapixel telephoto lens here, and then 5 megapixel macro lens on A72. On A52 there is no telephoto lens, there is a depth camera in place of the telephoto lens. At the front we have our 6.7 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 800 nits brightness, same as A52 and A32, and then we have got 90 Hz refresh rate here as well. At the top we have our selfie camera, 32 megapixels. On the sides we have volume buttons, power button, and then we have speaker. This phone also has dual speakers, so this earphone at the top also works as a speaker, just like S21 Ultra. Then we have USB-C port, audio jack, and then on the left we have nothing. At the top we have microphone and then SIM card tray. So let's pull this out. So this is a hybrid SIM card tray, so you can use two SIM cards or one SIM card and an SD card. So that's how this works. So I will power this up, go to the setup, and I'll show you the software and the display and the camera system on this phone. I'll be right back. So I'm back guys, Samsung Galaxy A72 all booted up and set up. Now I wanted to show you a few things before I end this video. So first of all, we need to go in settings, go in about phone, go in software information, and here you can see that this phone is running on the latest Android version 11 and One UI 3.1. so you get all the latest software features from Samsung One UI 3 and 3.1 on this phone. And then let's talk about that refresh rate on the display. So if you go in display, go in motion smoothness, you can see here that it's already selected high, which is 90 Hz refresh rate, and you can select 60 Hz refresh rate if you select standard. But with high, The display is really smooth, animations are smooth, scrolling is smooth, and it feels much faster as compared to the regular 60 Hz refresh rate. Now I'm glad that this phone has 5000 mAh battery, so even if you're using 90 Hz refresh rate together with the 1080p resolution of the display, it will give you a very good battery life. So that's another positive. And then Samsung has included the fast charger in the box. So this is the super fast charger. So this will be able to charge this phone at 25 watts and really quickly charge it up. So this is the same charging speed you will get on S21 Ultra, and the good thing here is that you get the charger in the box. With S21 Ultra you're not getting that. There you go, that's the fingerprint scanner. Pretty good speed. I think this is the first generation fingerprint scanner that Samsung used, so because it's a bit slow as compared to my S21 Ultra, which is really fast. So there you go. Let's compare it quickly with S21 Ultra here that I've just shown you. So we have got this matte black finish. This is plastic, this is glass on S21 Ultra, but the finish, the difference in the finish is a day and night here. S21 Ultra really does feel like a premium finish and premium phone in the hand. Whereas A72, it does feel like plastic, but I'm glad that it's matte finish, so you won't be getting those fingerprints on this one. And then you can actually take a look at the size difference here between these two phones and the camera bump. So that's the camera bump on these two phones. Now let me put A52 beside it. So that's A52, and then let me put A32. So there you go, S21 Ultra, A72, A52 and A32 all lined up. You can see the difference in their size and in their camera modules here. We've got same size camera module on A52 and A72. There are quite a bit of differences here. So we've got 4500 mAh battery on A52, 5000 mAh battery on A72, 6.5-inch screen size on A52, 6.7 on A72, and then we have fast charger included in A72 in the box. We don't have that, although both support 25 watt fast charging. No wireless charging on both of them, not even on A32. And then we have got a telephoto lens on A72, and we don't have that. Instead we have a depth lens on A52. That's A52 and A72 for you. And then we have got A32 here as well. So let's compare A32. So that's A32. It doesn't have any camera bump, just camera sticking out of the main body. But you can take a look at the difference in their thickness and in their size. So there is that, and then we have A52. We have a bit of a size difference here. A72 is a little bit taller as compared to A52. So that's about it from this video, guys. That was the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A72 and a brief comparison with some other phones, A52, A32 and S21 Ultra. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.